Warriors! So today I have for you Z-Wow number 15 already, and because we got such a great feedback from you guys for the last workout, we really liked it because it was a big challenge, and you know, last workout was also a challenge for guys, not just for girls. You know, so we have a similar workout for you guys today. It's gonna be again super intense, super challenging workout. Guys should try this workout as well because it's really hard. And just remember, it's a time challenge, so this workout you should try to do it as fast as you can, but do not sacrifice your form. You know, you have to keep a good form. So if you're doing this workout really fast but your form sucks, then it's really bad for you. You know, you cannot do that. You have to pay attention to your form. That's the first thing, the most important thing, and then, you know, pick up the speed. So we have 5 different exercises, amazing exercises, and we're doing them for time. There's 5 rounds, 10 reps for each exercise. So now you're gonna go down, squat, touch the ground, and then to the sky, point up. Keep your back straight, push your hips back, and up. On the one leg weighted squat, keep your back straight, abs tight, touch the ground, and up. So this is a skull crusher. Make sure you don't crush your skull. Push up, control the movement. Be aware of where your skull is. V-ups, touch your toes, touch the ground. Make sure your abs are tight and your lower back is pressing into the ground. So guys, this is the 180 lateral jump burpee, and I'm jumping over a box that is 15 inches off of the ground minimum. You can use stack of magazine, books, whatever you have at home. Just make sure when you're jumping over that you don't touch the side of the box or the books, because that might be bloody. So you have to be really careful. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Down, push up, jump over, and twist. And burpee. This is a new one for me too. So let's do this, guys, and push really hard. One, 2, touch the ground. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Single leg weighted squat. Keep the back straight. Touch the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep the balance. 9. And last one. 10. Now, skull crushers. Lay down on your back, weights next to your ears. and press up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 more, 9, and last one, 10. Okay, put the weights down, V-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's get up. And now burpees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That was the first round. Water break. The last exercise is such a killer. Okay guys, let's keep pushing. Grab your weights and let's start with the squats again. Squat down, touch the ground and to the sky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, and 10. Okay, one leg weighted squats, back straight, abs tight, touch the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, 10. Switch the legs, same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep the balance. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, and 10. Skull crushers. Okay. and 1. Control. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one. And 10. Okay. V-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, 10. Okay, let's get up. Burpees. Keep the butt in one straight line. Push up. Jump. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That was the second round. Breathe a little. March in place if you need to. I need to. And let's keep going. Grab your weights. Again. Round 3. Squats. Down to the ground. And up to the sky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. One way down. One leg, weighted squats. Abs tight, back straight, and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't count this. 7, 8, 9, and last one. 10. Switch the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, and 10. Grab those weights. Let's go down on the mat. And we're gonna do skull crushers. 1, 2, 3. Now it's really hard. Well, I'm switching to the easier variation. I'm grabbing the weight with both arms, with both hands, and I'm doing it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now guys, V-ups. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Burpees. One, and jump. And 2. And 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. That was the third round. Water break. It's raining a little bit. Hopefully we're gonna be able to finish the last 2 lines together, guys. So, let's do this. Squats. All the way down, push your hips back, touch the ground, and to the sky. 1, down, 2, back straight, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, and 10. Okay. One leg weighted squats. Back straight, all the way down. 1, touch the ground. 2, 3, 4, 5, touch the ground, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, and 10. Switch the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, keep going. I know it's hard. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Awesome. Skull crushers. I cannot do both weights. So, grab the weight. Let's do 10 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. V-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Burpees. Let's do this. Push up first. And jump over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, jump, 7, and jump, 8, jump, 9, last jump, 10. Quick water break. I'm dying. Seriously, I'm dying. It's really hard. But we are warriors, which means that we don't give up. We have last run to do. So, have a sip of water. Check it off. And let's do this. It's raining. I don't care. We'll finish this. Okay. Squats all the way down, touch the ground, and to the sky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, push hard, 7, 8, 9, last one, and 10. One leg weighted squats, abs tight, back straight. Let's do this. Touch the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Switch legs. We can do this 10 reps. 1. Be strong. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 8, 9. Last one. And 10. Oh my god. Skull crushers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one. 10. Lay down. And now 10 V-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and last one. 10. Last 10 crazy burpees, and we're done. Okay, get down. Push up. And jump over. 1. And jump. 2. Push up. And jump. 3. And jump. 4. Keep going. 5. And jump. 6. We're almost there. And jump. 7. And jump. 8. Push up and jump. And jump. 9. And last one. 10. 10. Oh my god. I'm done. Stop the time. Let's breathe. Let's cool down. Have a sip of water. I'm sorry guys, I can't even talk because I'm out of breath. My brain has no power right now. Oh my God, I'm so glad we did this together. Hope you guys didn't let me down. Hope you followed with me through this entire workout. So, guys, I just want to let you know, these workouts are not just for girls. These are for strong-minded women and men. You know, if you have a strong mind, you can do anything. You can do these workouts. You might use modifications, but you're gonna be able to complete it. Maybe not as fast, but you should try. Try to follow along with me, or if you feel up to it, you can try to beat my time. But don't give up. Do not skip this workout just because you think it's hard. You'll see once you get into it, you know, anyone can do this. Anyone can push themselves. And then that's what it's about. You know, E for effort. Okay, I'm blabbling now. I'm just gonna let you guys go. And I'm looking forward to read your comments and messages. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. The new side is coming. We have a new side.